See if I get there in time. This is like the third time this week. It's not easy to tell, but I can see him flashing inside. Yeah, it's been going off a lot this week. Alright, well, I shouldn't be near the doors in case there's a mass evacuation going. Although this has been going on so much that the old people have probably been told to ignore. Oh, it stopped. Yeah, I tried to get this on camera last week, but it shut off too quickly. But there must be false alarms or something. Well, anyway, it looks like that's going to conclude this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.